my goodness, you guys, I'm so excited. Okay, so this is going to be the before of this room. So right now we actually use this room as Snow's DJ room, and we've had some furniture in here, but we have been selling it. So I'm going to give y'all an overview. Here is the side wall. I'm trying to be as steady with my hand as I can. So yeah, right now it is all red. This is an older house that we live in, so the ceilings are pretty high, and then we also have this chimney that is a bricked in that's white, which of course we're going to be keeping. So yeah, oh, I'm so excited to do a before and after. Sorry, it's a little bit messy just because we have stuff everywhere. But yeah, I'm so excited because I have like a vision for this room, and so I'm just real happy to finally get to see it come to life. So we'll be doing lots of shots as we decorate. Okay guys, so yesterday, and this may be echoey because there's no furniture in this room, we put up this chandelier. Hopefully it's gonna focus, you can see it. I am obsessed. Let me turn it on. So it has all kinds of different jewels on it. As you can see, I think it's better if I show it to you without the light on because it's just so bright. But yeah, it has all kinds of jewels, so we had to individually hang every single jewel. I'll leave a link down below if I can find it, but here is, there's like trash everywhere, but here's what it looks like. I think my mom got it from Lowe's. Okay, so here's what the room looks like right now. Snow put a base coat on it, and we went with the gray. The guy at the paint shop said that he recommended using gray because these walls were red before. So the paint color that we got is actually going to be purple. So yeah, here's what it looks like. And then this is the old chimney, so we're actually painting the whole thing white. Oh yeah, I'm excited. What, Mom?
What are you doing?
I'm filming you.
Why are you filming?
All right, you guys, so we've gotten some of the decor pieces. Mom has a tree that she got me for Christmas. And then we have the first paint on. It probably looks a lot lighter than it is because we have the windows open, but it's like a darker purple. So I'm excited for it. We're in my filming room trying to set everything up. We have like decor everywhere. Everywhere. All right, so this is tonight's project. This is a huge mirror that I got at Home Goods a couple years ago, and we're going to attempt to spray paint it white for this room. Walls are dry. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully it goes good. I'm really nervous. Okay, you guys, so here is what the room looks like from the outside looking in. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Y'all have no idea. I've literally just been coming in here and sitting. So this is the chandelier. I'm going to turn it down. That way you can kind of see like a more of a true color of the walls. And then I'm going to turn off these lights because I love how everything looks when it's like kind of darker because I have so many lights in here. Here is the first wall. And this isn't the complete look. I just want to go ahead and give you guys like a preview. So as you can see all of like the glitter in this photo. And then here is the fireplace. We are getting a big mirror to go over top of that. I've already ordered it, but it has not come in yet. And I'll leave everything linked down below for some of the products that I got in case you guys want to purchase them. I'll try to find any of the ones that I can. This is a beautiful chandelier lamp on a mirrored table. Then all the pillows I actually got from Home Goods. And the bed's from Wayfair. You can see me in the background in my PJs. The chandelier came from Lowe's, and I'll try to link it below too. So this mirror I actually got from Home Goods quite a while ago, and we painted it. So look at the detail in this mirror. It's really, really pretty. Whoop, there I am again in my PJs. Okay, and then this came from Wayfair. We were waiting on the other drawer because it was shattered. So I'll do like a full video once everything's in here. And this is my chandelier lamp. And then I have the cutest little elephant right here, kind of at the door. I just think it's like simple, but like really pretty. My friend Martina that I work with got this for me. I was originally going to put it on here, but decided to do some flowers. And I just thought it looked so cute as like a little door stopper. So I'll update you guys once we get this completely finished. But I love the way it came out so far. Okay, you guys, so the room is officially finished. I don't see myself adding anything else to this, maybe besides a few things on the mantle. So I'm going to go through every single piece that we have in this room. I'm going to have links all down below. That way, if you want to find any of the items that I have, you can purchase them for your house. So I'm very excited. This is the first video of many to come in the home decor series that I'm going to be doing, because like I said on Snapchat, basically we're doing like all the rooms in our house. So I'm going to start with this picture right here. I am so obsessed with this and I love all the glitter. Like just, it's so sparkly. I don't even think that a camera is going to do this justice to just how beautiful it looks in the light. So I actually got this at Home Goods. I'll see if I can find one very similar and leave it down below. I'm obsessed with the glitter or sparkle pictures right now, and I thought it looked really good with this room. Okay, next thing is this vase. So my mom and stepdad actually got this for me for Christmas, and I love how it lights up the room. So this is actually, it kind of looks like a little tree. They got it from Hobby Lobby, I believe, and it came with like a really big long stand that you can have it on, but since this down here is see-through, we didn't want the stand in there, so we took it off. We actually stuffed toilet paper down in this part right here. That way it had something to kind of stand up on. I think it's either toilet paper. What is it? No, I think it was some kind of like plastic wrap is down in there, as you can see. She got the vase at Home Goods, and I'll again try to see if I can find one similar and link it below. And then there are these like little crystal rocks down here at the bottom. So love this, and it brings a lot of light into the room. The next portion is going to be the fireplace area. And remember, this was painted black and white before. So Snow painted it all white, a nice sleek white, which I love. I have 3 candles here on the end, but I actually want to see if I can get another set to put over here to kind of match. And then at the bottom, I have these 2 candle holders. So let's get down so you guys can see these. So I actually got these at Ross, and I'm gonna zoom in on the details. I'm gonna slide this just so that way you guys can see it a little bit better. Down at the bottom, there's like mirrored pieces on it, and I actually believe I found the exact ones at walmart.com, so again, it'll be linked down below. And then the base right here in the middle is all mirrored, and so this part's like see-through, and then this middle part is mirrored. And then there's like little diamonds all around it. But I just thought it was a really pretty piece, and I needed something to put at the bottom of this fireplace to just add like, I don't know, just some dimension to it, I guess. So yeah, I have one on each side. And then I love the acrylic like ball holder at the top. And it has the candles. Now these candles actually look like they're real. They are actually fake candles. And I have a little remote control that controls all 5 of them. And you can put them on a timer and you can make them brighter or dimmer, and I'm obsessed with them. So they're the candlesticks. Went ahead and put them back up. I like literally went and sit on the ground for this. Okay, so here's this mirror, and let me tell you how obsessed I am with this mirror. So I actually have been seeing this on my Facebook for like months, and it's always over top of this table that matches it, right? And every time I clicked on it, it was always advertising for the table. Finally found it on Wayfair. I love it so much, you guys, that I bought a second one because I'm gonna put it in our dining room. This room's on the complete other side of the house, so I'm like, who cares? No one will know. But it's a really big mirror. It's actually 36 inches wide, so I thought it was really good to go over the fireplace. It needs some dusting, but all of these like pieces around it, they're all mirrors, so obsessed. I'm just so excited because I've never really decorated a room before. This next piece I actually got at Home Goods, and it is a chandelier lamp, and I think I paid around $49, so it wasn't anything too crazy. And I actually put this on this mirror desk. I got this from my mom and stepdad for Christmas, and it's just really nice and sleek. And obviously, as you can tell, I'm obsessed with mirrored items, so it just went perfectly. It's basically like the nightstand for this bed if we have any guests come over. Next is the bed. So the bed came from Wayfair, and all of the pillows on the bed besides the ones in the back actually came with the set, and they're like velvety. Then we have the mermaid pillows that I got from Home Goods. And then like the other sparkle pillows, I actually got at Home Goods as well. And then I got this, I believe, from my grandma for Christmas. And then the bed set we actually got from, where was that from? It was from Home Goods. And I actually ended up getting a king size because we thought that would look better kind of hanging over the sides. And I got the rug, which is like a furry white rug. Doesn't look as white in this video, but it's definitely white. I got it from Home Goods. I actually ended up purchasing a rug, and I got it in here, and it was actually kind of dingy looking, so we went back and traded it for this one. Next thing is this mirror. So this mirror, I believe, is about 7 foot tall. I believe I found one very similar. Look at me in my casual clothes that I have no makeup on because it's late at night I'm filming this. But yeah, I believe I found one online similar for you guys. So this originally was a gold mirror, and what we did was we spray painted it white. So one quick fun fact, we actually spray painted this in the house because it was on the complete other side of the house, and we didn't think that it would like smell up our house, and it did. So we put a tarp down, spray painted this mirror, and you guys, the next morning when we removed the tarp, didn't think anything about it. There was overspray over the entire room. We had to scrub the floors for like a good 30 minutes. So, okay, next we have one of my favorite pieces, and this is the dresser. I've never owned a dresser in my life, just FYI, and I love this the moment I saw it. It's from Wayfair. It actually came with different knobs, and so when we got it, we ended up changing the knobs. I got the knobs at Home Goods, and so they're like actual like diamond-y knobs. And then I have the little flowers here on the top, just something simple. But this is mirrored all the way around, except for the back. So it's mirrored on the sides, and yeah, all the way around. And then we have the chandelier lamp. Again, a Home Goods find, but I found something very similar online that I will link below. And I love this because it has a little step thing and you can just turn it off. And then very last piece, my favorite, my little elephant that I got from my friend Martina for Christmas. Just chilling, trunk up for good luck. And we need to fix this door because it's kind of janky. But that, you guys, is going to complete this home decor. Please thumbs up this video. Let me know down below if you liked this. Do you want to see more of this? I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so excited about this, and I cannot wait to show you guys the rest of our decorating of the house.